Okay, so oh my god, let's just ignore how I look because I am. Um, I had a house inspection today, so as per usual, I use house inspections as a way to give a really good clean to the house. So you guys haven't seen the final result. You haven't seen any of it yet because I haven't edited any videos. So yeah, so let's go and have a look at what the new house looks like. Look, look, I have a lounge room. This is where Boogly sleeps every day now. And then we spin around and I have a fireplace, which the fire's actually just gone out because I've been out for about, I don't know, 4 hours. And look, a TV. Not mine, it's Curtis's. Okay, so yeah, so that's the lounge room. So we'll go down to this dark little corridor down here first. All the doors are shut. I'll tell you why. This is the sewing room. The door is shut so Socks doesn't sleep on my fabric. And that's it. But look, it's like not like the last sewing room I had. This one's awesome. Oogie doogie, we're going to shut that. And then the smallest room in the house is my bedroom. It's just a bedroom, nothing, but it's pretty small. Got a few nice little things in here. Got Pennywise and my reindeer and some Hello Kitties and stuff. But other than that, I come in here and sleep. The end. Oh, spinny. Oh my God, I sound like Aussie man. Bathroom, not very exciting. It's exactly the same as it was. How much mess did they make? Not that much. Same as it was when I moved in. All right, down the hall. Now things did change. This one was originally going to be the sewing room. This is the unpacked room. the unpacked room because I haven't. This is supposed to be the craft room. You can see I've got a whole bunch of shelving there that I still haven't built because I don't do anything in here. I literally just don't have time to do these sorts of things anymore. Some clothing. It's not a very exciting room, but how nice is this bag? Look where I went. Not to Japan. I went to the Daiso store, which is about as close to Japan as I'm getting. All right, and this room is the awesomest room in here. Look at all those orders. They're all going to be packed tomorrow and sent. That looks like all orders are finished. How'd that one go? Let's have a look. Not too bad. She's a little rough. I stopped selling the sky blue in the store. I was having issues with it. So, all right, and that's the printer room. Obviously, that one always sits at about 50 degrees. It's a bit ridiculous. There's stuff there that you're not allowed to see, so you can't see that. Don't look. There's the thing I nearly chopped my finger off with. This thing. Have a look at the blade on this thing. This here is the blade. It's mental. It's a big choppy. And yeah, I took off a lot of gel fingernail with that. That's my photo studio. If you ever wonder where I take my photos, that's how I do it. 2 ring lights and some dodgy shit. Soap rack because I can't stand the smells. And because this is the office door just here, so they still get air. I've just made this end neat, whereas this other end, it's sort of just... Then we have the big, I don't know if you can see, there's the big wood pile out there, which is going to get used. Kitchen hasn't changed. Well, it's got a fridge in it and a cupboard. So, actually, you'll probably see this video before you see the house empty. And then, yeah, the office, which is you can see, literally the fullest room in here. So, everything basically gets used. So there's all the stationery stuff. Well, not all of it, but there's like all my cello bags and stuff. Some little books I'm working on. These are little password books and some cute stickers, and then that's where the magic happens. See, in my house, the bedroom is not where the magic happens, but rather at the desk. Printers. Got my Nikki Tutorials palette out today and actually used it. I used the glitters, shimmers in it, and actually put some on. I'm about to set up the sublimation printer and start sublimating mugs and t-shirts and mouse pads. And then, yeah, this is where all the orders get wrapped. If you watch the live, this is where I was sitting. And yeah, this is my Cameo, which gets used all the time. This is my absolutely awesome paper press, because I don't want to spend a ridiculous amount on a paper press, although I did buy one for $130, which apparently is going to Perth. It took a month to get from Wuhan to Sydney, and then it decided it was going on holidays to Perth, so I don't know. But yeah, I mean, this is all my packing stuff, all the wraps, which I haven't been using because I haven't had time. So lots of people have been getting very plainly wrapped presents. I've just made a whole bunch of new stickers. You can see all these pretty stickers I made to put on the boxes. So what I've been doing is I've just been putting them on boxes like that. I'm in love with this font right now. This is like my favourite font in the whole entire world right now. So I had to make stickers with them. But then I made these cute little suns, and yeah, I'm having fun making stickers and shit. And these are the ones I've been throwing in as freebies. And this is, how cute is this? I think this is a tattoo. This would be great as a tattoo. Yeah, and that's it. That's my whole world right now. So it's lovely and warm in here. It's actually 26 in this house. It's mental because I had the fire on earlier. I put the fire on at about 4 o'clock this morning. It's my very first fire ever, and you can see Socks has already decided that's his spot, even though the fire's not going. But he's decided that's his spot. He does love bathroom mats though, so he's always been a fan. Ran out of coconut oil and palm. Poor dude. Carried him up the stairs for me. He said, I had no idea a small box could be so heavy. I said, I know, right? But yeah, that's it. That's how the whole house is now organised. I bought all my candles upstairs. I have the melts up here too, which are under the telly. And soaps and stuff. Not all the soaps are up here. You know, all that sort of stuff. And there's a bunch more stationery stuff and some other things there, but that's all that you can see of that. But yeah, so on the rare occasion when Curtis actually stays, this is where he sleeps, although this is where Soxy's sleeping now. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, look. I opened her up. She started again. I love fires. Fires are awesome. Yeah, there's the melts there. So, and I've just bought some cupboards from whatever it's called, Kmart. So these will actually go here, and I'll have room for this other project that I'm working on. But yes, I did want to show you just how cute this cat is. Hello, look at this. Black cats are not actually black. I don't know if people actually know that. They're not black. See how you can see that? He's not actually black. None of them are. So there you go. So when you think you're being superstitious and don't like black cats, they're not actually black. Alright, I did want to actually show you the cutest thing. I don't tend to spoil the cats very often because they're cats, but I bought excuse the mess I've just eaten and I've just thrown it everywhere. How cute are these bowls? They are so pretty. I mean, they're boy cats, but who cares? They're cats. I care. I like them. That's why I bought them. Yeah, I got those from, in Australia, I got those from My Pet Warehouse. I think they're about $16 each. I got them mainly because I generally feed the cats on sandwich plates. But I just thought these were really good because they're really wide. They're like, normally cat bowls are, Socks doesn't like putting his face in bowls, I think because he's got really big whiskers. So yeah, so there you go. So I got those, and I think they're awesome, and probably would have paid full price. I think they were like 25% off or something. Hey Boggles, say hello to the peoples. Oi. Oh, there you go, you're right. But yes, this cupboard was in the printer room, but it was annoying me, so it's now soap. And also, I hid all of Curtis's shit from the real estate. Are you right in there? Get out. Come on. Come on. Oh, it smells so minty in here because this is eucalyptus and spearmint here. This is the aloe vera, and I'm going to leave that cat in there if he doesn't. Aloe vera and clementine, you can actually see how much it's discoloured. I'm really disappointed with that. And I put titanium dioxide in that as well. So although you can see in the orange and the green, it's not so bad. So if you just didn't do a white portion, it'd probably be all right. So, but yeah, but that thing never came up any better. It's still a really ugly soap, but it smells pretty good. Oh, I've just got a bit of soap down my top. Yeah, there you go. So that's a Simply Spa and Dirty Man. You guys have seen me make that before. I didn't refilm it because you've seen me make it before, and I want to just keep filming ones I've already made. So yeah, all right. I'm going to get the cat out of the cupboard now. Boogles, come on. Or not, maybe. I think he's going to live in there now. All right. Well, that's it. That's my house. It's, like I said, it's not very exciting. It's just my house. But it looks more like an actual house. Like if I had a dining table, I would have everything that normal people have, and just a lot more. So yeah. But all right. I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.